Welcome to the GrabExpress web booking portal training. First, go to express.grab.com and select the Login tab. Input the email address registered with your account and the chosen password. Then click Login. For single booking, input the pickup address, input the drop-off or customer address, select GrabExpress chosen service type, and then select Add Delivery Details. Input branch and customer details. For COD deliveries, input COD amount. From there, select the chosen service type, and then input the approximate item details. Please make sure to select the correct payment method. If the agreed payment method is corporate billing, kindly ignore this section as it does not reflect the agreed delivery fee rate card. For multi-stop delivery, click the Add Drop-off Location button and input the second, third, so on and so forth. Click the Add Delivery Details, then input all the necessary information of all the drop-off points. From there, you can now select Book a Delivery. How to do bulk booking. There are two ways of using the bulk delivery option. First, you can download the template from the portal, then input all the booking details, including the pickup and drop-off details, service types, payment details, and additional remarks. Also, please input the COD amount if the service being chosen is cash on delivery. After completing the file, you can now bulk upload using the tab from the right corner of the portal. Please make sure that the details are accurate and do not input any special characters, as the file will not work if you do. In case you get an error, you can double check the file if there's any special characters added. The second way is booking straight from the portal. First, click the Multiple Booking tab, then input all the details for the first booking, click the plus sign to keep adding new bookings, then just fill in the details. When all the details are inputted, click Book Delivery. How to track your delivery. Click any of the below words to view orders in the pending, allocating, pickup, and dropping off status. Click to view latest delivery updates. The lower part of the portal will show the history of all bookings: completed, ongoing, and canceled. You can also download the file if you wish to see all the bookings you've made for the past months. Select the desired date, and then click Download. Also, if you want to book again, you can also use the Track Your Delivery button and check the old bookings, then click the Book Again button. From there, you will be able to book the same delivery details you had before. How to cancel bookings. Bookings can be canceled in certain occasions, but these should be done less than 2 minutes before the booking has successfully been assigned to a GE rider. This is because a GE rider will immediately go to your pickup point. For you to be able to cancel your booking, click any of the statuses to view the deliveries. Click the 3 periods of the order you would like to cancel, and then click Cancel Booking. Thank you for joining GrabExpress.